The left coin looks worse than the one on the right. Here's why. I printed 4 coins, each with a different result. Let's start with the ugliest coin. This coin was printed with retraction and without ironing. The details are not very nice due to the retraction. There are many small holes inside the text. This one was printed without retraction and without ironing. The text came out better without the retraction. This one was printed with retraction and with ironing. It's another example of how the text is uglier with retraction enabled. This one was printed without retraction and with ironing. This gave the best result in this test. Please subscribe if you like it, thanks. You see the worst result on the left. And the best on the right. However, there is a risk that the extruder will become clogged without retraction. My print settings are in the description. Get commercial access to all my 3D files to sell 3D prints. You might also want to check out my 3D design channel for more tutorials. Thanks for watching. You might find other videos interesting too.